Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video we are going to do some hands-on practice on the arrays. So in previous video we just understood some basic concept of arrays, how it works, which terms are in there. So yep, today's we'll do some hands-on on those things. So please do subscribe the channel to get some more informative videos like this, and let's quickly get started. So first of all, we'll write down some of the terms that we used in the last videos. So there would be elements that we are going to use. The next would be the size of the array. This one is quite easy, and this is the index. So the elements are the things, are the values that you are going to put into the array. The size will be how many elements you'll be able to put, and the index is which will reference the elements. So let's take one example. Here I'll say grades, and in this square brackets I'll write down 10. So this 10 will be now the size of the array. And how we'll assign the values, so there are two ways to do this thing. So once we did this thing, now I can go like this, grades, and now in this square brackets we are going to write the index values. So grade 0 would be 10, grades 1 would be 20, and grades 2 I would say here will be 30. We're not going so far, we can go here till 9. As you guys know that index number starts from 0. So let's try to run this thing and let's see what we get down here. So printf, it's got here %d because this index is the integer number, and simply we have to write here grades. So if I want to take the first 10, I'll need to write here 0. Let's see if I get the output. So yeah, we are getting here 10. So that means we are going in the right direction. And now if I cancel this stuff, let's put down this thing and the comment for now, so that we can see the next method, how we can declare the values, or we can assign the values to this array. So for that, we don't have to put the value here, and simply do equals to and the curly braces. Just write down the values, whatever you want to do here, 20, 30, 40, and so on. And the size of the array will be automatically given by the compiler. So let's run it again to see what we're getting here. And again we are getting 0 because this thing is here 0. You can use the index, you can use this array index as in the arithmetic operations. For example, if I would say here integer x and grades 0 plus 10. Oops, doesn't matter, but yeah. And if I print down here printf, yeah, we are directly printing the x, we don't have to do some other thing here, %g, and there will be the x down here. Let's put just slash and down here and run the program. What we are getting down here So this is the selection mistake that I make each and every time. So the first was 20 because we have done grade 0, that is 10 down here plus 10, so we are getting 20, and the next is almost grade 0. So this is how we choose the array, and we saw these terms. The elements down here are these 10, 20, 30, and 40. The size will be automatically given by the compiler if we are not putting down here. So before it was 10, but now it would be 4, and the index would be like 0, 1, 2, and 3. So yep, this is all for this video, and in next video we'll do some more hands-on on this array, some more practice. So stay tuned to this channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye, take care.